We're going to demonstrate what an activator adjustment looks like. Let's see your hand. See, it just feels like this, nice and easy. Okay, and we'll go right here, nice and easy. Oh, relax those arms. Good, that's it. That's it, good job. Let's do the other side, hang on. Turn to this way, relax those hands, little adjustment. Good job, that's it. On your tummy one more time. Okay, we'll demonstrate what an activator adjustment looks like on the spine. If we were going to do only an activator adjustment. Alright, sweetie, here we go, like this. This is considered a light force technique. Many older patients or other patients with underlying spinal conditions can't handle hands-on adjustments. So we have this technique available for those who have different needs or for a specific type of adjusting. Awesome. Come up all the way. Your power is turned on. Good job, Eve. Keep going. Oh.